Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, it is class 8. Subject is mathematics and the topic is data handling. Text exercise 5.1. Question number 1. The question is, for which of these would you use a histogram to show the data? There are 4 different options. The number 1 is the number of letters for different areas in a postman's bag. We have to show it on a histogram. Is it possible or not? We need a reason. Number 2 is the height of competitors in an athletic meet. The third one is the number of casters produced by companies. And the fourth is the number of passengers boarding trains from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. to a station. Give reasons for each. Solution. Number 1. Different areas A, B, C. Now the answer of these 4 different questions. For part A, the answer is different areas A, B, C has a certain number of letters. So there is no class interval. If there is no class interval exists, automatically thus it is better to represent the data by a bar graph than by a histogram. So we can't show it on histogram, but it is better to show it on bar graph for part A because there is no class interval. The second is height of competitors lies between a certain range. So class interval exists. Now in part B, there is class interval. Therefore, we use a histogram to represent the data. When there is class interval, it is easy for us to show it on a histogram because histogram needs definitely a class vector of the given data. Now the C part is there is no class interval. Once again, just like in part A, now here too is no class interval. There is a name of 5 companies. So we can't show the data by a histogram. As I already told you, my dear students, one thing that is class interval which must be available in a given data to show a histogram. In this way, in part 1st and 3rd, there is no class interval, there is no histogram. But in part 2, there is the possibility of class interval. We can able to draw a histogram. So in this way, part D is class intervals like 7 a.m. to 9 a.m., 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., for example, etc., are necessary to show the number of passengers boarding to trains during that time intervals. So a histogram is suitable representation of data. So in this way, in part D, we are able to draw a histogram because class interval is possible there. Number 1, 2 is we need the number of passengers boarding to trains during that time interval. So these are some reasoning parts to explain or to give the reason in which areas we are able to show the histogram, and we understand that to draw a histogram or to show the histogram, we definitely need a class interval. If there is no class interval, there is no histogram. Now, my dear students, there is question number 2, just like this. You will try yourself to solve this very question. If anybody feel any problem anywhere, anywhere, tomorrow we will discuss that very problem. So I think these are some important things regarding the histogram is enough for today. Inshallah, tomorrow will be the next lecture regarding text exercise question number 5.1 for question number 2 and 3 onwards. Thanks.